So Brittany, we'll be right on the edge of that heat wave, so that's got a twofold effect. One, we don't get the full effect of the heat, but it still gets pretty hot and humid. The heat index hitting possibly 100 a couple days this week. And because we're on the edge of that heat wave, we may get stuck in a ring of fire pattern, which means multiple rounds of strong storms. And so that's looking a little more likely for us, where we may get on and off stronger storms between tomorrow night and Friday. So even though we avoid the brunt of all that high heat, being on the border of it doesn't mean we escape everything. And as you can see, there are a couple side effects. Now, as we look at Exact Track radar this evening, it had some showers this morning. You can see a little of activity off to our north. This is all expected to fizzle out as it gets closer towards us. Some showers trying to fire up east of I-39. For the most part, though, we look to stay dry, but any rain that's on radar right now is between Belvedere and DeKalb, but it's very spotty, very light. As you'll see for the rest of this evening, we'll mostly have a partly cloudy sky. Temperatures right around 80 degrees. Feels more like the mid-80s as that humidity continues to build in. So get ready for some muggy air over the next couple days. That mugginess could lead to some fog late tonight, so watch out for that driving hazard tomorrow morning. Temperatures stay warm and in the upper 60s. And then for tomorrow afternoon, maybe one of the last drier days that we'll have when it comes to at least rainfall. We'll have mainly sunny sky, high near 90. The humidity, though, could make it feel like the mid-90s. Storms possible late in the evening to overnight hours. And that's the start of our little ring of fire pattern here, potentially an active one with daily chances for strong storms. Heavy rain and gusty winds would be the main threats, but not all of these rounds may hit our backyard. So here's Future Track. Again, tomorrow looks mainly dry, but then we go into tomorrow night. Here come the hit or miss showers and storms. One wave coming through Iowa in the afternoon. A second either could track into our backyard or just miss us, and that's kind of the theme over the next couple days. Fairly quiet start to Wednesday, then we may have to watch out for spotty showers and storms. Then going into Thursday, here comes another round, drier during the day Thursday, and then more storms possible in the evening. And we kind of keep repeating this going into Friday. So as you can see, there may be multiple chances here. And while we wait for all of that activity, we got to deal with the heat. Wednesday and Thursday look to be the hottest of the week, feeling like near 100 with the heat index. That's under a somewhat stormy sky. And of course, if we do have the storms track through, it may lower the heat a little bit. After several days of this, we start to relax on Friday. And then look at the weekend. The heat doesn't go down much, but the humidity drops a ton, and we get a lot of sunshine. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, after a quiet weekend, temperatures continue to trend down, but that could come with more rain. So we've definitely got a lot of activity to keep an eye on over the next 10 days.